In this video we are going to show you how to make a DIY C-clamp to hold two workpieces together. A C-clamp or G-clamp is a type of clamp device typically used to hold a wood or metal workpiece, and often used in, but are not limited to, carpentry and welding. Take two pieces of square steel rod and bend it to desired form. Clamp C on bending die and silicone gun trigger with cartridge plunger. A clamp C larger swivel pad reduces marring on work surface and increases stability, while larger handle for greater clamping pressure with less effort and reduced hand fatigue.